Good morning, my friends. It's cold here today. And this is one of those days when your body is just asking for something warm and nourishing. So I'm making healthy chicken soup packed with vegetables, garlic, and ginger. Real food that comforts you from the inside out. So let's make this together. Come with me, I'll show you my ingredients. I have 1 chicken breast cut up. I have chicken stock, 1 can of beans, carrots, cauliflower and cabbage, celery, bay leaves, ginger and garlic. So let's do this. First, we're gonna put the ginger and garlic in. I have a little bit of olive oil in here. And I'm just gonna put the garlic and the ginger in. The bay leaves in. Now you can hear that sizzle. Let me bring the chicken over. Okay, let that cook for a minute. And I'm gonna add that smells good already. Okay, now I'm gonna add my chicken. Salt, pepper, and let that saute for about 4 or 5 minutes because I want to get the chicken, the maya, my homemade paprika in there. Now we're going to add our celery. Oh, that looks good. Add my carrots. Cauliflower and my cabbage. Look at that. Now I'm going to add my chicken broth. Now once I add my chicken broth, we're going to bring it to a boil and then turn it down and let it simmer for about an hour. And so now we're going to cover this and let it come to a boil, and we'll check in on it periodically. Hello, my friends. We're back. Our soup is finished, but it's very hot. Now, this soup is so nourishing on so many levels. You got protein from the chicken, fiber from the vegetables, anti-inflammatory support from the ginger and garlic. It's simple but powerful. And that's what real food does best. Food does not have to be complicated to be healthy. Sometimes a pot of soup is exactly what the day calls for. Thank you so much for cooking with me. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And now we're going to go on to the soup and show you the end result. Look at that. Now we're going to take the bay leaves out. I think I have three of them, but you can't find them. Where we go? 2. Oh, here's the other one. Those are some huge bay leaves. Now, before I pour it in, I just want to remind everyone that the recipe will be on the bottom, including Bella. Oh, Bella wants everybody to know that she's around.
Yeah. Bella, hush, honey.
Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, we heard you. Now, you can garnish this with a few pieces of parsley, or you could add cheese on it, which I do sometimes. Ooh, I'm gonna try this.
Gonna blow on it.
Yeah, it is hot. Oh, too hot. We'll give it a minute. I don't want to burn myself. That is delicious. Okay, I'm not going to try another spoon because it's too hot. So this is where we nourish our body and keep things real, my friends. Soup like this just warms your soul. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.